gets it really fast.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, nice. Did you get that?
Yeah. Don't growl, Red.
Red, you can let go.
Oh, he's looking at me like, don't get close.
Give it back, Red. Come on, give it up, give it up. Come on, let go. Uh-oh, he's losing his grip. Oh! He just doesn't care.
He just goes for it.
It's funny because I thought Koshka would just totally go for it, but
She doesn't like it?
no, she loves it. But Red, all of a sudden, he didn't care. And then all of a sudden, he was just like jumping and pushing her out of the way. Oh,
He
got
got it.
the string.